there. I'll get back out of your way. Take care and God bless you out there, man. Hope you have a nice day there tomorrow for sure. 0505 from Frankfort, Kentucky, and I'm back out.
Hey, 505. What does 88 sound like? He might sound real beautiful when he's out there all by himself there, 505. Hey, 505, that kind of big an 88 sound real good when you're out there all by himself, lonesome. But see, I'm going to stick him back down there in the dungeon. I'm going to stick him back down in the dungeon and close the floodgates. John Denver's rocking the mail.
John Denver, House 505, sounded a little weight on his back. 071. You are sounding choice down, John Denver. Hope you have a good day also. God bless. 0505 here in Frankfort, Kentucky, the big capital, and back out.
410 around Frankfort, Kentucky. Around Frankfurt or Pfeiffer or something like that. Somebody keyed up, cut your radio off, man. Somebody keyed up and cut your radio off and said, what does that 505 sound like with a little weight on his back? And then that guy big stump jumper jumped in there around the heels of Tennessee. Well, you boys out there around Kentucky and Tennessee, man, are getting it on. Old John Denver out here on the West Coast rocking the mail.
Still John. Hey, man. I don't know how you do with somebody on his back. The 404 here in Birmingham, right? You don't be the one to put the load on him, that's for sure. Good afternoon, John Denver. Joe the Grinder at Birmingham. Hey, 174.
You got that cut big and maul down, man. Hey, Joe the Grinder, you got that cut big and maul down over here around California, man. Damn. Radio blackout, just like Big Phil said. It's like a skip vortex blackout when you key that duck bucking maul down like you just did. Hello to you, Joe the Grinder, Mr. 404, while you got that great big maul over here in California in the patio control. Old John Denver's right back.
Well, alright, John, I want to tell you, man, don't bruise them up too bad. I know you took a break and let 88 and a few of the others in there. Get them a little DX time, and I'm sure they appreciate it, whether they tell you or not. Alright, John, let me slip out, finish up my supper, and then off to sleep I go, I believe. Take care, John Denver. We'll look for you tomorrow. 404 Joe the Grinder, Birmingham, Alabama. We'll see ya.
410, 404, damn, you got that maul down. Why are you going to say, you're going to get out of there and go to bed, catch you tomorrow? I'm going to kick back. It's only 5 o'clock over here, man. We're about to make us some dinner, too. I don't know what we're going to make, but we'll have something, no doubt. Take care, Joe the Grinder. You're sounding awesome out here, man. I video gated when you was talking to old Big Phil, and I got the video gate rolling again. Got big and radio station sounds smooth, man. Awesome. 404, Mr. Joe the Grinder. I'll keep the got big and hammer off all them duck-plucking mud ducks. I'll try and keep the hammer off all them mud ducks. And when I got big radios like your radio jumping in mine, I got to key this maul down and let you know, because them guys ain't going to get it back like I can, man. Hey, Joe the Grinder, you're going to have to put your ears up against the speaker to hear all them mud ducks. But I just wanted to put this great big hammer in your radio and let you know that you got a damn hammer over here from Birmingham, Alabama, and the audio is superb. Joe the Grinder, take care. John Denver's gone.
Hey, John, I appreciate it.
Hey, John Denver, can you
Here's some ideas for supper. How about some French ground pork sausage with some grits and scrambled eggs and some big old cat head biscuits with some peach preserves and a cup of coffee. Then you'll understand why you have to go to sleep when you get through eating. John Denver. No get back on John Denver. Sky soldier on the mag is jumping on.
410 Roger on that. Yeah, sounds good, man. Got big some eggs and potatoes. We might make us some egg sandwiches tonight. Take a piece of toast. Take 2 pieces of bread, throw them in the toaster. And you make some eggs and cheese and put some ham on it. Yeah. Then take the toast, put some mayonnaise on it. Throw the cheese on top of the egg. Cook the ham. Oh, yeah. Egg sandwiches, man. Them are some good stuff. All right, Joe the Grinder. We'll catch you later, man, after you got off that mall, man. 515 or somebody out there in the mag wants to say hello. He popped in there like Jack in the Box, like he was on a handheld with a rubber ducky antenna jumping up and down in the back of the truck trying to get out. 404, you take care, take him easy. Old John Denver over here in California with this great big mall is gone.
Hey, John Denver, before you make all them egg sandwiches, wait for the Buckeye stays. 007 break.
What about you, Shorty, making all that noise down here in the bayou? What about you, Shorty? Making a lot of noise at BYU. Your friend, AK-47, standing by.
Hey, 007, I hear you in the Buckeye. Hey, 007, I hear you out there in the Buckeye, and I'm going to say hello around Ohio. Hey, 007, I'm going to say hello and howdy do and welcome to the Cab Pick and Work Week around Ohio. Your friend, old John Denver, all the way down here in the bottom of California near San Diego, is waving right back.
Oh, very good, you sound good in the Buckeye state like you always do, John Denver. The egg sandwich made me hungry. I can make some myself. Later, John Denver. 007 out Cincinnati, getting on down.
410 around Cincinnati. Yeah, that's a good place. I ain't never been there, but I've heard about it. I watched, what do they call that, Man vs. Food? Oh, man, the stuff they eat out there around Cincinnati, Ohio, man. Oh, man, I forgot. He was eating this big old, I forgot what it was, a chicken or something, some chicken sandwich, or he had to eat a whole bunch of stuff out there around Cincinnati to get this plaque up there on the wall, man. Had to eat a whole, like, entire dinner with ribs, I think. No doubt about it. You take care out there, 007 around Cincinnati. Thanks for the flowers, man. I'll lay them on top of this table over here in the patio control. 007. The San Diego Rocky Mountain High. I see all those mud runners in the sky. When they try to key, all you will hear is me. Rocky Mountain High in San Diego. Take care of 007 out there around the Buckeye. I just dropped this worldwide mall down so none of them mud ducks get in between keys. John Denver's gone. Rocky Mountain High in 2K's radio. I heard you in my mobile when I was headed this morning, when I was headed down to run some errands on that Cab Picking in 2K's, and you were getting down with your bad self. Hello to you, 2K's, all you out there around the mag. Mr. Worldwide, John Denver over here in the patio control. I ain't in the mobile yet. It ain't cooled off enough for me. Although it's nice and cool now, it's starting to rain over here. But I'm waiting just for the right time to pull out that cotton picking 50 kW mobile there, 2Ks. A couple more weeks, I might think about heading to my spot and doing some stuff. Hello to you worldwide, 2Ks in the mag. John Denver with this great big hammer in the patio control. I ain't even on a 2879, 2Ks. I'm sitting on 21 MOSFETs. Got all these MOSFETs out in the middle of the road. 2Ks, old John Denver's getting on down.
I
kicked him off this cotton picking channel, man. Hey, 2Ks. I kicked that duck plucker off this duck plucking channel. That cotton picker rolled a bad 5. He's on bad nickel probation, man. Told old 222. He told old 222. He said, I let him have a 5. I didn't key up. I thought he might key up and say something funny so I could laugh about it. You know, so old 222 can entertain us. What'd he say? He said, 222, I know John Denver loves me, so tell him I got man gravy waiting for him over here. I said, damn, what kind of 5 was that? Scarred me and 222 for life, man. So, 4040 won't be on this channel no more. Not as long as I'm out here. I already got old Big Phil. Big Phil's going to key on him every time he hears his name getting called. He's going to be up there on triple nickel sounding like a superstar. That's where all his Watergate's been going. All of his Watergates went to dump luck and lower sideband like the Channel 17 reject he is. 2Ks. Yeah, I got this cotton picking mall down, and if ain't enough, I'll jump right out there in the truck and start the generator. Take care, Mr. Worldwide. 2Ks in the mag. Your friend, John Denver. The San Diego Rocky Mountain High is gone.
Scotia down, but I'll be right back. John, 2K is gone. Bye.
Alright, you go on and do what you gotta do, man, and I'll tell you what patio control probation means. Hey, 2Ks, you go on and do what you gotta do. Put the mic down, and when you get back, I'll let you know what patio control probation means. I'm gone.
Yeah, John, I'll be right back. Nobody on probation. Hello. Somebody back there, John Denver Blaine.
Yeah, go ahead. Is that you, Bayou Boy? Hey, Bayou Boy, is that you on 2 Pill Tuesdays break?
Yeah, that's me, come on. Hey, let me beating up on that old boy down here. What is he like today or what?
Oh, I don't know, man. We'll have to see. We'll have to see if he can beat up on that campaign boy around Louisiana. We don't know, man. He went, are you talking about 2Ks or are you talking about Papa Top?
I'm talking about an old boy they call Country Boy. He thought I was on my base station going out there to 999 in New York. And he was telling me about it on the radio. I'm opening up on Bayou Boy. He got this big economic beans down here in the bayou. I'm on a foreign element. I'm opening up on him. The whole time I'm out there in the 53rd Studebaker. What you think about it, John Denver? Come on.
Don't think I wasn't listening, Cotton Picker. I heard you honking the horn. I was down there in Rancho Bernardo, man, about 20 miles west of me, heading to the doctor, and when I was heading back, you was out there, you're like, look, honk, 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 honk. You're like, check this out. 63 Studebaker. Honk, honk. You were honking the horn on that duck-plucking, mud-running base station there, 410.
Hey, and I caught him. I heard me say, I beat him. 12-volt 63 Studebaker. Come on.
10 Roger on the 12-volt 63 Studebaker. Well, he didn't do it. I tried to get back to you a couple times on that end, man, but it was a little rough for me. I was going through some trees down there, man. That main road that goes down in there where the place I get the medicine is, it's full. The whole sides are all plucking big old trees. So you really can't get out there on that road there until you get up into my town where it's kind of wide open. No doubt about it. Bayou boy, hello to you. I'm going to get out the middle road, man. Maybe go get me something to drink or might make us some dinner on that end. But you take care. Take him easy, Mr. Bayou boy. Your friend, old John Denver, with his great big hammer on 2-pill Tuesdays. John Denver with his hammer down is gone.
Well, I'm on 4-pill Tuesday. I'm kind of cheating a little bit. I'm on actually 1x4-pill Tuesday. So we don't have much later, John Denver, Bayou boy on the west side. I'm gone. Tuesday is tube day. Tuesday is tube day. Gotta turn on those heaters and run those glass boxes. I don't have no glass box. Oh, look at this right here. Somebody calling me. Hey, I'll let y'all later. Bayou boy gone.
They calling you because they want some talk time. Hey, Bayou boy, they calling you because they want some talk time. Just hang up.
Hey, Bayou boy, tell him I can talk anytime I want. Come on. Hey, John Denver, but look here, man. I ain't like that. I gotta listen on the phone when people call me because I'm a busy man. Just let John Denver, Bayou boy gone.
Yeah, 10 Roger on that. They calling you for some talk time. They calling you on a duck plug in 21. They calling out. They say, Bayou boy, can I please have some talk time? Can I please have some kind of talk time? Go on till to the 21, Captain Beer. I'm going to get out of here and read the mail. John Denver, the king of California, is gone.
Hey, Mr. Bud, I know you were listening in, ain't no doubt about it. Yeah, the Lord of Quarterback ain't listening to that. Oh, he would have done keyed up for doggone real. What about you, JJ? You back? Hey, John Denver, I'm back, man. It's one of my boys who needs to borrow my light plant, man. He's doing some work late tonight and needed to borrow a diesel light plant. So I had to get my boy fixed up. I said one hand wash the other. John Denver, I'm back.
I heard somebody calling 4040, so I'm going to sit back and read the mail so I can kick his ass.
I'm about to get the first one. Hey, Sarah, which is on
Shit now. Hey, John Denver, I'm back.
Yeah, I know. Hey, call Cotton Big, and if you hear old 4040 out there, call him. I'm sitting out here waiting on him. Somebody just got done calling him, so I'm sitting out here in the bushes waiting to key on him.
Oh, you know, he's on there. I heard him back there. He's talking to somebody in Mississippi. Come on. JJ, the way I was turned, he's taking you out of my radio, that 4040. Number 9 on the tower. That 4040 needs to lay down.
Right down around there.
I guarantee. Oh, I just got on the phone, man. One of my boys needed to borrow my light plant down here. I gotta go get that on the back. But I'm gonna make them do that. Ain't no doubt. Number 9 on the north side by you in. We've been into it already.
I've got picking and plugging with
Okay, now 19 Mobile by you boy in. John 4040. Tell Fisherman he needs to hook up Bayou Boy with that John Boy box.
Sitting there, you know, just out there in down there. He got paid attention to about 8:30 something out of that. Yeah, but he must done hit it on out.
Tell him that'd be a perfect box for me for a driver.
They call me a wild turkey. They call me a wild turkey. My red pickup truck deep down these lines. Right back at you. Hello.
Hello, around Kelly, 51 Virginia.
Alright, this smooth operator holler. Come on, boys, we're getting ready to pull up here pretty soon. I'm gonna holler.
Pull him over, 51 Virginia. No, that's old Bayou Boy. I stepped away from the mic. Yeah, I gotta go, I'm holler, and my boys get ready to pull up at the house. Yeah, I gotta hook them up. See you later. We'll catch you again.
Go hook him up, kick back. Go hook him up and come back to the dump looking radio so I can pass some fires to 4040 Mud Runner.
Right on, JD, 51 Virginia.
Hey, what's going on there, 5-1? Yeah, I heard you calling, man, but are you all 4040 out there, so I was trying to catch him talking to somebody so I can key down and cut his radio off, make him look bad on his video gates. What's going on, 5-1 Virginia? John, Denver's right back.
Alright, that big chopper, we're gonna holler John Denver, number 9919 in the Mobile. Oh, the big choppers out on the west side. Bayou Boy is back quiet.
Hey, Bayou Boy, call that configure 4040 back out there, man. Hey, Bayou Boy, call that configure 4040 Mud Duck out there and tell him to get his butt back out here and fight like a man. Hey, Bayou Boy, tell that configure 4040 to get his butt back out here and fight like a man and defend himself, as he's in configure patio control probation. He's in bad nickel probation. Tell that configure 4040 don't be hiding under the bed with his tails between his legs. Call him.
Hey, 40. John never told me to tell you to get up from underneath the bed and sit hiding, because he wants you to get up on patio control. Come on.
Morning, George. You kind of fire away. Did he say Shoot, I'll tie him up again there. If ain't more than nobody, let me tie him up again there. Might get to come back there. Prime time, 7 more.